Thumbnails are one of the most important tools for online creators because nobody is even going to click on your video if your thumbnail is not interesting. Today I will show you 3 secret tips YouTubers use to make their thumbnails more interesting. And at the end I'm going to share one way for independent creators to compete with big productions like Mr. Beast. This is Felix from Next Media and I will show you how to improve. One of the things you will actually learn in any design class is how to properly place text on an image. I cannot stress enough how important this is. Let's look at 3 thumbnails with different text placements and see what they did wrong or right. First one. This is not the worst one, but there's one critical error. The main subject is not visible because of the text blocking it. Now, a good design choice is symmetry. By centering the text, there is an easy image harmony and this indicates that the image is balanced. Now to the second one. Here, the subject is indeed visible, but the text placement is worse than before. The harmony is completely destroyed and the image feels unbalanced. Also, the text is cut off and has no space to the surrounding edges. How about utilizing the massive headroom the image itself has and placing the text there? Now the text becomes easy to read, the picture is balanced and the main subject itself is visible. This would make a great thumbnail together with the next upcoming 2 tricks. The next secret trick to the perfect thumbnail is that when you're thinking of a video concept, try imagining a thumbnail in your head, or even draw one down for a quick proof of concept. A lot of YouTubers making the mistake of scripting, filming, editing and publishing the YouTube video and then doing a last minute thumbnail on it. All of these hours you spend creating your video are basically wasted because of the bad thumbnail. But if you create a thumbnail that is matching with your video concept before even shooting the videos tend to get much more interesting because of the vision that you already have in your head. This is also the way I approach my videos and trust me, the thumbnails and videos are getting much better. The last and most important trick to viral thumbnails is reducing your content to the most important things. For this trick I have a little exercise prepared for you. I will tell you one video idea and you try to guess which things should be in the thumbnails. A trading challenge in New York where me and my friends try to trade from 1 cent up as high as we can go. Now the most important thing in this video is the mystery of what we managed to achieve. So let's make a thumbnail with maybe a question mark signaling that there's a mystery. The next big thing would be our starting point, so the coin has to be in there 100%. And now one thing that I think would make this perfect would be that we are earning money by trading. Money is one of the biggest hooks you can use in your videos and one reason why Mr. Beast got so successful. Speaking of Mr. Beast, I promised you one way on how you can compete with Mr. Beast thumbnails as an individual creator. Now when we look at the Mr. Beast thumbnail we can clearly see that it has been photoshopped. Now this is obviously very expensive, the designers, the photographer and the program Photoshop itself. But thankfully we are in 2023 and have free online tools like Photopea. I found this site online and it's completely free to use. And as a long-time Photoshop user, trust me when I say it's exactly like Photoshop. Now there might be some features missing, but trust me this is more than enough you need to create stunning thumbnails. In the background I recreated the thumbnail we made in Photoshop earlier and I think it looks just awesome. Now this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tips and tricks related to YouTube. Like the video if you enjoyed and I hope to see you soon in one of our next videos. Bye!